Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I have a little Quince try-on haul, and spoiler alert, everything is incredible. So if you don't know, I've done 2 videos from Quince before, but Quince is probably one of my favorite places to like invest in good quality basics. Now I say invest because their prices can be a little bit higher, but for their quality, it's super affordable, okay? Like I'm talking 100% cashmere sweaters for like $100 versus where you would get them probably $200-300. So they basically cut out the middleman. This is not sponsored. I just truly found them and loved them. My favorite winter coat is from them. I have some sweat sets from them, sweaters. I have a lot, but I love their stuff and I'm constantly looking at their site. I really do want to get a pair of sheets. I want to do like, they have this really cute like checkered like gingham green print. It looks stunning. Yeah, they have a lot of really good stuff. So if you've never checked out Quince before, it's literally everything all in one. Think like Madewell meets Everlane meets Brooklinen meets West Elm meets everything, okay? It's just incredible. So let's start with my little order. I didn't get too much stuff, but I feel like fall stuff is just expensive in general, so it was pricey, but I got literally, I think I'm keeping everything except for one thing. Okay, let's dive in. Let's start with these silk pants. If you guys know, if you saw my what was it, my fall wish list, I wanted chocolate brown silk pants. Well, I haven't found them, but navy is my next best option. So I'm obsessed with these. If you don't know, their silk is 100% washable, and so these pants would be insanely expensive if you bought them at like Banana Republic or something like that. They're stunning. They even have pockets, which if you don't know, it's really hard to find pants that are like silky satin like this that have pockets. So everything about these, check my boxes. I like the little small elastic band. Makes it a little more casual if you want to dress it down, but something tucked in or like untucked a little bit over, you wouldn't even see the band. I got these in a medium because I knew I wanted them to fit oversized slightly. I cannot wait to style these a million different ways. I'm obsessed. They steam really nicely as well. I just took a steamer to them and they're stunning. So I wore them, I think, throughout the entire video to just style through this. Like, that just shows you how versatile they are. I think with button up, with sweaters, with just a plain white tee, everything. They have them in black and another color I can't remember off the top of my head, but the navy blue spoke to me. And if they come out with chocolate brown, I'm gonna be all over it. Now this is the one piece that I have to exchange, unfortunately, because it got sent to me damaged, which it wasn't Quince's fault. It was actually, I think FedEx is the one that shipped it. I took pictures of it and it like sent it to their customer service and they said, no problem, just go ahead and exchange it for another one. So basically it just got like damaged in the shipping process. Like, it looks like the bag got ripped of some sort and like dragged across the floor. I tried to clean it off to see if I could salvage it, but it didn't work and I don't want to wash it. I don't know. I just don't want to wash it and risk not being able to return it. I don't know if that's the case, but regardless, I have been looking also for just a like navy blue poplin button-up top. I don't have one. I don't know how. But when I saw this, I was like, yes, this was the whole reason I like waited to place my order until a little bit later, because this was out of stock. They also have an olive green one, which is stunning as well, but these just are nice. I've actually never purchased one from them, and the price is incredible and the style and fit of it is awesome. I did get a medium this. If you want an oversized fit, I would at least size up 1, if not 2. I could have done a large as well, but I liked the idea of this being able to tuck into jeans for the fall time. But paired with those silk pants, it's monochromatic, but it looks really cool because it's different textures. Obsessed. Like I said, just exchanging that for a different size. This next sweater, I didn't know I would love as much as I do until I tried it on. So this has some serious weight to it. I don't know what this one is specifically made out of. Let me see. This is merino wool. This is hand wash. Okay, good to know. This is the prettiest, like caramely, I think it's called taffy or like caramel taffy, I don't remember. but I love this. It's so soft, not itchy at all, like not itchy at all. It feels like cotton. That's why I had to look up the makeup because I felt like it was like cotton. I love how big the zipper is on this and how like weighted this neckline is, so it just folds and hangs so beautifully. Again, with just a white tee underneath it, I'm obsessed with this. I love this color and own nothing like this. And I only own, I think, maybe 2 other zippers, like zipper sweaters like this. I own a black one. Oh, I own 3. I own a black one, a white and navy blue striped one, and then like a greenish colored one. But I honestly think I'm gonna get rid of the green one because it's just not oversized enough for my liking. I like oversized. So as you'll see, I size way the heck up in a lot of their stuff. This I did get in a medium and I feel like it fits nicely oversized, but it would be true to size if you went with your normal size. Obsessed, 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 obsessed. The quality of this is everything. And I think it's just gonna be an effortless piece to throw on. Again, you can throw it on with those silk pants, elevated, or you could throw it on with jeans, shorts as we're gearing up more towards fall here in Dallas. Yes. Okay, next up, this. I've been on the hunt also for a chocolate brown sweater and I found this one. And this one is cashmere. I think 100% hair. Cashmere. Yes, 100% cashmere. Again, hand wash. Okay, well, it looks like I'm hand washing all my sweaters, but this is worth it because this sweater fits perfectly. I got this in a large. I knew I wanted oversized. I have like a boat neck top sweater from them that I believe is also cashmere that I also got in a large, and I loved the color of that, so I was so happy when they came out with this. This is very similar to their, I think want to say their fisherman cotton one, but this one is cashmere like I said, but the neckline of it, perfect. Little white tee pops up through it, everything. Perfectly oversized. I love this, okay? So if you like oversized, you can size way the heck up. But this is so soft, not itchy, and this color, perfect. Perfect, perfect. I will wear this with my little leopard pants, those silk pants, jeans, khakis, anything. This is just such a good find, and I like jumped on it as soon as I saw it because like I said, I wanted a chocolate brown sweater and I was having the hardest time finding one that was like good quality but wasn't insanely expensive. Honestly, I was just gonna go with 100% cotton sweater. I was looking to see if Gap had one, but they didn't. So I ended up getting a navy one and a black one from them, but I saw this brown one from Quince and everything. It's a pricey, it's $100 for a sweater, but it's really freaking good. So check it out. And they also have like really good reward type system when you leave reviews on things, when you, I'm trying to think of what other sign up for their emails, whatever. They're always running like, not discounts by any means, you'll never find discounts, but they have like a money back reward program, which is nice. Okay, let's finish up with the clothing and then we'll move on to my last thing. So I got a denim jacket. I actually got this in 2 different sizes, which I didn't realize I did, but I got this in a medium and then I also got it in the extra large. I am returning the extra large, it's way too oversized. The medium is perfectly oversized. And do I necessarily need another denim jacket? Yes and no, okay? I have one other one, but it's more of like a lighter acid wash, whereas this is a true medium cotton denim jacket, and I'm all over denim this year. I think denim is perfect, and the reason I don't mind getting a new denim jacket is because you can wear it in every single season. It's so freaking versatile. Wear it over the top of a sundress in the spring, summer, or bring it into fall with a denim on denim look. It's awesome. It's an easy way to just, I don't know, add layers, and I think a denim jacket is perfect over the top of sweaters and such like that. So this is nice. It was like 50, 60 bucks, and the quality is amazing. And I know this will only get softer the more you wear it. This though, you guys, okay? This was exactly what I was looking for. I don't know why I still even have the tags on it because this is everything. Okay, so in my fall wish list video, I showed and mentioned that I wanted a suede bag, kind of like a bucket style bag, and why did Quince deliver us the perfect one? This looks like it's from Madewell. They have it in, this is the whiskey color, they have it in a Merlot, like wine color, burgundy if you will, and then they have it in a navy blue. I wanted the navy blue, but I went with this because I do have a navy blue bag already, but I didn't own anything like this. I don't know if this is the same size as the Madewell one. It does kind of, it is a little bit small in my opinion, but not that small because I don't carry anything in my bag, but I feel like the Madewell one I've seen on other people and it looks bigger. $99. Leather strap, suede bag. Inside it's like canvas. This is like incredible quality for $100. I'm blown away. So it has a zipper pocket right here. It has like a little like small side pocket here, and then it has this where you could keep like your keys in case, so you don't want to lose them. And then there's different like lengths that you can make the bag. This is everything perfection, literally everything I wanted in a bag, and I'm like so close to getting the other two colors, but I need to stop myself. But that bag is so good. If you have not pulled the trigger on a suede bag and you wanted just a simple bucket bag like that I feel like will be versatile and carry us into so many different falls, that's the one. And then last but not least, I got a pair of pajamas. So I have been a matching pajama set girl like this for quite a few years now. The first pair that really like put me into this, like, first of all, the whole reason I started wearing bamboo pajamas was because I was getting such bad night sweats. I was, I think it was hormonal, it was just a lot of different things, and I was dealing with the worst night sweats, and the only way I wasn't dealing with them is if I wore bamboo pajamas. Now, I'm talking like I couldn't even wear nothing, like I had to wear bamboo pajamas. They're so breathable. If you've ever had bamboo, it feels cold on your skin, but in the best way possible. So I have a pair that I fell in love with from Cozy Earth. I wore them every single day, like every night. I mean, I showered, so it wasn't like a big deal, but whatever. I washed them. I wore them every single night, okay? Until I washed them and wore them and da-da-da. I wore them every day for 2 years. I'm not kidding you, 2 years. I wore them obsessed, okay? They're pricey though. They're very, very expensive, and I just like couldn't bring myself to buy another one. So I bought a couple of dupes off of Amazon. I have a pair from H&M that were pretty good, but they're shorts and t-shirts, so I feel like it's fine that they're not 100% bamboo because they're not like full length. But as we're gearing up for the winter, and sometimes I just like a full long sleeve long pant because that's what my Cozy Earth runs. I saw these, okay? These were like $59. Yes, I get my pajama sets in a medium because I don't want them to be like suffocating. Navy blue. Okay, first of all, I couldn't wear navy blue for a long period of time because I had Miss Wrinkles who shed white, and I just didn't want white dog hair all over me. But if you've ever felt bamboo, it's like the stretchiest, silkiest, coziest, okay, whatever. Anyways, these are navy blue with the white piping on them, again, medium, and the top to match. These are, I'm probably gonna get, they have black and gray. Like I said, let me show you my gray ones, because they're right here. They are toe up, okay? But I also got these in a medium. You guys, they're the same. Anyway, I have worn the hat, like you can tell. These are actually a small, but like you can tell how worn in these pajamas are, but they're everything, okay? I'm obsessed with them. I don't, do these have pockets? Pockets. That is one thing I will say about my H&M ones, they don't have pockets. And you're thinking, why do you need pockets in pajamas? You do, okay? You need to bring your phone from upstairs to downstairs and around sometimes. Anyway, they have the classic like little thing like this. Perfection, okay? If you're doing like a matching pajama thing, looking for a Christmas gift, looking for anything, no one's gonna treat themselves to nice pajamas, but these are everything, okay? I used to be the ratty t-shirt wearing girl, but these feel like a ratty t-shirt, but they look cuter. In my opinion, Scott thinks they're ugly, but I don't care. I love them, and I cannot say enough good things. Enough good things. So, that's it, you guys. That is my Quince haul. And did I tell you it was good, or did I tell you it was good? I'm telling you, I'm keeping everything. I'm just returning the extra large denim jacket, and I'm exchanging that navy poplin shirt. And I'm probably gonna pick up the green one, but if you haven't checked out Quince, what the heck are you doing? It's so good. Great quality basics. I'm talking everything. I have so much stuff from them. They're just really good. But check out the links in the description box. I'm pretty sure they're also on YouTube Shop, but I will leave if I get like a 20% like referral thing. I'll leave it if I do. Again, this is not sponsored. I just really freaking love them. But I hope you guys enjoyed, found some good stuff, because I know I did. And I'll see you in my next video very, very soon.